Today I'll be discussing what genetic engineering can do and the benefits that it can provide to us. I asked the audience, if you had the opportunity to ensure that you or your child could grow and live a happy life with no chance of incurring any type of illness or disease, would you do it? The very idea of being able to modify or change genetic code to enhance or even cure a person has always kind of fascinated me in a way. I see it as an opportunity to push us past our physical bounds and even improve what we don't have or create what we don't have. The purpose of this is to explain what genetic engineering is able to do for us and how it can benefit us as a race, as a human race. I believe genetic engineering is able to benefit us mainly because of the possible removal of cancer, removal of AIDS. We're able to create humans with enhanced senses and even superior intellect. And finally, we could even slow the aging process or live indefinitely if we chose to. The website Cancer Statistics had stated, in 2016, an estimated 1.7 million new cases of cancer was diagnosed in the United States, and around 600,000 of those died. With proper research in genetic engineering, we'd be able to eradicate cancer in as little as one generation. The website Fact Sheet stated 35 million people have died from AIDS-related illnesses since the beginning of the epidemic. Proper coding of genetic, or DNA basically, we could effectively block out AIDS, HIV, effectively canceling out the passing of it through a mother and child or, a spouse or anybody. The benefits of all this can basically be a disease-free future, a future where children do not inherit the mistakes of their parents. Alongside curing diseases, we can also enhance our senses. Sue S., a professor of theoretical physics, stated, "The possibility of superintelligence follows directly from the genetic basis of intelligence. By isolating the correct gene, the correct DNA strand, we could effectively increase our knowledge. We could memorize things better. We could increase the IQ of everyone at the same time if we wanted to. We could create basically children smarter than, say, a high schooler, say, at age 5. That's a possibility." The website HHMI stated, they did a report on modified mosquitoes, and they stated, "By disrupting a single gene, we're able to confuse a mosquito from its task in seeking humans. Doing the same process for humans, we could effectively enhance the sense. We could enhance the sense of our smell, enhance the sense of taste, enhance the sense of anything." With proper research in genetic engineering, we could effectively create humans with abilities that far surpass anything that we have right now. The final point is also the end goal of genetic engineering as a whole. The end goal of genetic engineering is effectively to allow us to live forever. There's an example of the blue lobster and the land turtle. The blue lobster has regenerative genes that allow it to live forever. And the land turtle has been known to live for hundreds of years. And if we figure out how to properly code it into human DNA, we could do the same if we chose to. Aubrey de Grey, an English biomedical scientist, says, "I think it is reasonable to suppose that one could oscillate between being biologically 20 and 25 indefinitely. Using those proper genes, we could do that." In conclusion, I hope I was able to give examples and show what genetic engineering can do for us and how it can benefit us. I truly believe that genetic engineering can help fix things such as cancer, AIDS, aging, and even improve our senses and intellect. I see a bright future with no suffering, a bright future where children do not inherit the mistakes that their parents made. Next time you feel pain or illness, just understand that genetic engineering can be a solution. I hope I was able to inform you of what genetic engineering can do and how it can benefit us as a species. Thank you for your time.